Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I'm StacyElaine. You have just checked into the Girl Boss Beauty community. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. Just know that we are beauty and fashion obsessed, but we are very cognizant of our budgets and our bills. So with that being said, let me show you the very last handbag that I purchased as part of my 2022 luxury handbag shopping list. Now, if you did not see the shopping list, I'm going to link it here, and I highly suggest that you pause this video and you watch all the bags that I said I was going to purchase in 2022, or that my heart desired. Let me put it that way. And that will be critical because this foundation, the 2022 luxury shopping list video, is going to be the foundation of quite a few of the next few videos. So you'll want that foundation. This is like, that video is like the Skims. It's the Spanx of all the videos I'm going to post in the next week coming up as I look back over 2022 and what I purchased and what I thought about it and what I regret. All of those videos are tied and linked to that video. So you'll want to check it out, then watch this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of the upcoming content, because you will love it. I'm telling you, subscribe, you'll like the vibe. So now, let me show you. It is not an unboxing. It's just a revealing. We're just going to get right into the content. This is probably one of the bags that I have wanted the longest on my luxury shopping list. My heart skipped a beat the first time I saw it. And every year that I did not purchase this bag, I was only waiting for a price increase as well as a new iteration. And so I am very, very happy that I went on Fashionphile.com and I was stalking the page all year for a very specific iteration of this bag, and it is the Valentino Spike bag. Is she not beautiful? Is she not everything? So I have wanted the Valentino Spike bag for a very, very long time. I think this bag debuted in 2018. So basically I have been waiting like 4 to 5 years to get it. It has come out in so many different shades and iterations, but I specifically wanted the bag style or design that came with the leather strap. So most of these bags come with a chain strap. The first ones, the chain was not removable. I did not want that one. And then they did have another where the chain was removable on the side. And then they finally started coming out very briefly with this iteration. And when I saw it, my heart skipped a beat, because I'm not so much a chain strap type of woman. I'm more of a chunky leather strap girl because I'm a little bigger up top. And so that little chain is gonna get lost in between my breastises. I'm just saying. So I wanted the leather strap, and I also like this design because it's called the Spike Up, and you can unzip the bottom and the bag actually expands, and you have this beautiful Valentino red that coordinates with the blue. So the Valentino bag fits my fashion style aesthetic because I'm a handbag lover. And when I say handbag, I literally mean handbag. Like, I like top handle bags just like this. I love a bag that comes with a top handle. This top handle is removable, so you can remove both of the straps on this bag and just use it as a clutch if your heart so desired. Also, I love a versatile bag. I love bags that go from day to night, from brunch to date night, to church to office events, and that's not gaudy, right? And so I really like this bag. I think it adds pizzazz wherever you want to take her. I think I'm gonna name this bag Gracie, because it was only by the grace of God that I found her, and only by the grace of God that I got an offer that allowed me to keep this bag. Because when I ordered her, I was laid off and didn't have a job, and actually technically I still am for the last day, and I did not have a job, and so I just purchased the bag and said, well, Fashionphile has a 30-day return, and if I don't have an offer in 30 days, then I'll just take her back. And I didn't have to take her back because I got an offer. So this blue, you can see this bag is in immaculate condition. I unboxed it with my boyfriend and he was like, did anyone even use the bag? But I will tell you, the bag normally retails for about $3,400 American dollars, honey. American, okay? We're not talking pesos. We're not talking rupees. These are American dollars, but I got the bag for $1,300 plus taxes. And I will tell you, there was one flaw with the bag, which was, if you see here, the bag, it has this little thread here that holds this part together. Well, this piece of the thread was missing. And so if you're in Houston, I highly recommend that you take all your bags to Maida's on Westheimer. They are a leather handbag and boots repair and design company. And actually they are the official Valentino repair shop for the Houston Galleria store. I found that out when I went and dropped my bag off. So for $62.50, I got that fixed. That's their minimum wage, just so you know. Nothing is less than that. And I got this beautiful, beautiful bag. So again, this is the tag that came with it. I got it from Fashionphile. It's the Valentino grained calfskin medium. I did not want the large because the large size of this bag tends to sag when you use her top handle and it'll start to dip there. And I don't like that look. But the bag, as you can see, is squishy. She is grained, so she's not gonna, and I have already dropped the baby. I've dropped Gracie on the floor and nothing happened to her. She does not scuff easily because of the grained leather. Do you see how beautiful this bag is? So on the inside, as you can see, when I opened her up, just have that clasp there, and then you have this beautiful Valentino red. I already stuffed her, so I'm gonna take this out. And then it's just one big compartment. I love that. That goes with my handbag desire, is that if I have a small to medium sized handbag, I don't like so many compartments because it really limits how much you can put in the bag. So that's one thing you need to look at when you go handbag shopping. Like, how much can I really fit in this bag? And I have not used this bag yet. I will, and I will show you all the things that I think about the bag, but I haven't used her yet. She comes with this zipper pocket in the back and then a slip pocket in the front and just a big open compartment. And again, you can expand the bag. So on the inside, there's a little flap that comes up. You can see that leather sticking up there. That's the extra leather. It'll smooth out once I expand the bag. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys my newest baby. This is what I purchased, the very last bag that I purchased from my luxury shopping list. I told you guys last year at the beginning of the year, and I will tell you again at the top of 2023, like, I did not have to go to Spelman for 4 years and get an economics degree to tell y'all this. You know it and I know it. Today's price, it's not yesterday's price, and that's all I'm gonna say. So because today's price for bags and everything else is not yesterday's price, I'm buying the bags this year. This is not a wish list, it's a shopping list. Because I have been waiting to buy some of these bags for years, people. Do you understand me? Some of these bags I knew I wanted, I'm gonna say back in 2017, 2018, 2019. You know what I was waiting on? Apparently a price increase. Today's price is not yesterday's price. for the bags, and the prices are just going up, but there are opportunities to get real deals out there, and I feel like I got a real deal and a real steal with this bag. Let me know your thoughts on this beauty. Let me know if you would like me to show you how I'll style the bag, or any content that you would like related to this bag, if you want to what's in my bag to see what fits into it. But I think this bag is iconic. I think it's a classic. That's why I was interested in it. I know a lot of people have different thoughts on it, and you can leave yours in the comments below, because people are saying that the Valentino spike bag is like out of style, and I think that is the perfect time to get a bag that your heart is set on, and that is what I did. So I was able to save over $2,000 off the retail price for this bag, and I absolutely love it. And I got my 2023 calendar. I've already put it up in my home office, and this is my Fashionphile calendar that came with the bag, and I got a nail file as well. But let me know your thoughts on this bag. I love her, but if you have had this bag or returned it or regretted it, let the Girl Boss Beauty community know. Let me know what I need to look out for. With that being said, Happy New Year to you all. I'm so glad to start the year with you this fine Monday. And like I say in all of my videos, and even if I forget, I still think it, I hope that you be blessed to be a blessing. Girl Boss Beauties, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.